Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update your Microsoft Bing browser. In case you're tired of the particular application you're using for your Microsoft Bing and you want to update that to a pro level or something even better with better features, just do well to update your Microsoft Bing browser. How can you achieve that? I'll be showing you that in this video. Now, first of all, you want to navigate through accessing your Microsoft Bing. You can do that by heading to your Microsoft Edge, which is on your PC already installed, something like this, and then just go through the process of opening your Microsoft Chat AI, and it will look like something as this. Now, to show you how to update your Microsoft Bing browser, you want to head over to the top over here where you have these three dotted lines tagged settings and more. You want to click on that and it will take us through the next process of updating our Microsoft Bing browser. So you click on that and then this information would pop up. Now, next, you want to head over to where there is settings on this list. You can find it over here at the bottom part. You click on that and it will navigate to this page where you can change or update your Microsoft Bing browser from what it is to something else. Next, you want to navigate to check for updates. So you head over to the settings over here and then just type in updates, click on enter, and it will check for updates in no time. So my Microsoft Edge is up to date, but if it wasn't, I would see the option to updates. Remember, Microsoft Edge automatically gives you the option of updating once you click on update, so it doesn't often wait for your prompt or for you to toggle in the bar. It just begins to update automatically, and when it's finished, all you have to do is install the application, and then you can begin downloading and navigating your Microsoft's Bing updated version. So this is how you can update your Microsoft Bing browser. When it's done updating, remember to always restart your PC to let it update to the latest version of your Microsoft Bing browser. Remember, we headed over to settings and we came to this page, and then we typed in update on this box here, and it brought us up to this page where you can navigate updating your Microsoft Bing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to update your Microsoft Bing browser. Until next time, bye for now.